In this video, we're going to take another look at the add-ons, and we're going to take a look at the product payment add-on. So as with all of the add-ons, simply go to your menu here, click upgrade, and check your active features. With the product payment feature, if you click the downward arrow, you'll see what's included. So this gives you unlimited product payments. So what this means is usually there is a $10 service fee for a product payment. And if you're going to do more than 10 per month, then it makes sense to take this. It's $99, but it gives you an unlimited number of products to be added. It gives you the unlimited usage of the product payment option. And it can also be combined with monetary compensation. To switch this on, you just click the switch to the right, like I've done here. And let's take a look at that in action. So we're going to go over to the Discover tab. I already have a selection here shortlisted, so I'm going to click New Campaign with Selected. I'm going to jump straight to the payment section. And in this case, I'm going to click Pricing per Influencer. This is also available on Pricing per Follower range, by the way. So Pricing per Influencer, this is the fee. I'm going to edit his fee slightly lower, and I'm going to choose a product that I already have added to the library. In this case, I'm going to choose 0 and pay with the product again. To add a new product, simply add new product, choose a category. By the way, if you can't find the category, you just choose everything else. You can give the product a name. You can give the product a value. You can put a URL. You can write a description. And finally, you can add an image. Once you've done that, click Save. Your product will then be available to use as payment for your influencers.